I have a lot of questions. I want you to tell me with which one I need to start to gain more views. First one is how we can lose the control on an AI, and second one will be how we can increase the number of views on an
It looks
AI.
like you were about to mention the second topic. Could you finish your sentence? That way, I can compare both and suggest which one might get more views.
Sorry, what?
It seems like you were about to mention a second topic, but didn't finish your sentence. Could you share it so I can compare both topics and suggest which one might get more views?
Okay, the first one related to how we can lose the control on an AI, and the second one is uh, how we can increase the number of views on
I think your
YouTube.
message got cut off again. What's the second topic?
How we can increase, it's related to increasing the number of views on a YouTube channel.
Both topics have potential, but the second one, how to increase views on a YouTube channel, will likely get more immediate engagement. Many people are actively looking for ways to grow their channels, so it's a high demand topic. The first topic about losing control of AI is interesting but more niche. It could work well if you frame it in a way that sparks curiosity or fear, like, is AI already out of control? Or the shocking ways AI could take over. If your goal is to maximize views quickly, start with the YouTube growth topic. Then, once you have an audience, you can introduce the AI topic to keep engagement high. What kind of content do you usually create?
Okay, so let's start by the second topic, okay? And you will take it to be responsible for answer and the question and most interesting topic related to the topic that I shared with you in Arabic and English.
Got it. We'll focus on how to increase views on a YouTube channel. To make it engaging, I'll suggest key questions and provide compelling answers that keep viewers interested. First, let's start with a hook. Why do some channels explode while others struggle? The secret to going viral isn't what you think. Now, here are some engaging subtopics. The power of thumbnails and titles, why 90% of your success depends on them. 2. Watch time and retention, the hidden YouTube algorithm hack. 3. Content strategy, how to pick video topics that people actually search for. 4. Engagement hacks, simple tricks to boost likes, comments, and shares. 5. SEO for YouTube, how to rank higher with the right keywords. Would you like to focus on one of these first? Or do you want me to refine the structure further?
Both of them.
Great. Let's break them down one by one. 1. The power of thumbnails and titles. First impressions matter. Your thumbnail and title determine whether someone clicks or scrolls past. Thumbnails. Use bright colors, big text, and emotion. Faces with expressions work best. Titles. Make them curiosity-driven. Compare how to get more views. The secret trick to 100,000 views no one talks about. 2. Watch time and retention. YouTube pushes videos that keep people watching. Hook viewers in the first 5 to 10 seconds. Cut boring parts. Fast-paced videos perform better. Use pattern interrupts, text, zoom in, sound effects. 3. Content strategy. Pick topics people are searching for. Use YouTube search suggestions. Start typing and see what autofills. Check Google Trends for hot topics. Make videos based on what's already working. Look at viral videos in your niche. Engagement hacks. More engagement, more recommendations. Ask questions in your video. What do you think? Comment below. Use pinned comments to spark discussion. Run polls or giveaways to boost interaction. 5. SEO for YouTube. Help YouTube understand and recommend your video. Keywords in the title, description, and tags. Add subtitles. They improve rankings. Use timestamps to organize your content. If you apply all these, your views will start growing. Do you want me to focus more on any specific part?
You can tell me all of that related to the secret 100.
If you're just starting out or struggling with views, I'd focus on thumbnails and titles first. Even if your content is amazing, no one will click if the thumbnail and title aren't compelling. Once you get clicks, the next most important thing is watch time and retention. Keeping viewers watching so YouTube pushes your video to more people. After that, work on content strategy, making sure you're choosing topics people are actually searching for. So, start by testing different thumbnails and titles. Are you already making videos, or are you just planning to start?
I'm planning to start with a secret of 100,000 reviews, which no one will tell you about. So I want you to tell me what is the title and give me also the icon for this video.
That's a great goal. For the title, something like this will grab attention. The secret to 100,000 views, what no one tells you. For the thumbnail, I'll create an eye-catching one with a shocked face or pointing gesture, bold text like 100K view secret, bright colors and arrows to draw attention. Let me generate the image now. Here's your YouTube thumbnail. It's designed to grab attention with bold text, bright colors, and an engaging layout. Let me know if you want any tweaks. You can check out the images in our conversation history.
That's great. Okay, perfect. So can you tell me also more about the description and
That kind of
tags
title and thumbnail works because it builds curiosity and promises value.
Can you tell me
People
more?
want to know secrets that others aren't sharing, especially about growing their channel. If you want to make it even better, you could add urgency, like 100K views fast. No one tells you this. Let me know if you want any tweaks before I generate the thumbnail.
No. Okay, so what can you tell me more about the description, tags, and subtitle related to the secret of 100,000 reviews no one will tell you about?
Yes. A strong description, tags, and subtitles will help YouTube understand your video and rank it higher. Here's how to optimize each one. 1. Video description. Your description should hook viewers, include relevant keywords, and encourage engagement. Here's an example. Title: The Secret to 100,000 Views. What no one tells you. Description: Want to hit 100,000 views on YouTube? No one talks about this secret, but today I'm revealing the strategy that works. Whether you're a beginner or struggling to grow, this video will help. In this video, you'll learn the #1 mistake stopping your views, the secret YouTube algorithm trick, how to make viral-worthy thumbnails and titles. Comment below, what's your biggest struggle on YouTube? I'll reply to as many as possible. More growth videos, insert a playlist link for related content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more secrets. Tags, use a mix of broad and niche tags. YouTube growth, 100K views secret, how to get more views, YouTube algorithm, viral video tips. 3. Subtitles, closed captions. Adding subtitles boosts retention and searchability. You can either upload a transcript manually, great for SEO, use YouTube's auto-generated captions and edit them. Would you like a script for the video intro as well?
Yes.
Here's a script for your video intro that grabs attention and teases the secret. You on screen, excited and engaging.
Yes.
Hey there, future YouTube stars. Have you ever wondered why some channels explode to 100,000 views while others barely get noticed? Well, I'm about to reveal the secret that no one talks about, how to get 100,000 views fast. And trust me, it's not what you think. Cut to close-up or some engaging, most creators focus on all the wrong things, thumbnails, titles, and even tags. But I'm going to show you the one game-changing trick that will skyrocket your views. Ready to learn? Let's dive in. Quick cut to a title slide that's on views. Let's get started. The intro is designed to catch attention right away, build curiosity, and lead into the content smoothly. You could even tease some of the topics briefly to give a taste of what's coming. Would you like any adjustments or additions?
Yes, I want you to tell me how can I engage user with me in the video.
Engaging your viewers is key to building a loyal audience. Here are some strategies to keep them involved throughout the video. 1. Ask questions. Encourage interaction by asking questions directly. For example, what's the hardest part of growing your YouTube channel? Comment below and let me know. Have you tried any of these strategies before? Which
No,
one worked
but
best for you?
No,
2. Polls and call to action, CTA. Mid-video, you can ask viewers to take action.
Yeah.
If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and
Okay, let's take this moment and you can ask the viewers and can see you. So ask them to do more engage and now do it. You can ask the question for the viewer now. Can you hear me? Hi. Hi, you can hear me? Is there any issue? Okay, so if you like it to continue with more information, so please try to subscribe and share and like, and also you can comment on our comments to share more information you will like to do that. Hi, can you ask viewer now?